What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be driving to Autozone and I'm taking my girlfriend with me because today I'm going to let her spend $100 worth of stuff for my car, my 2014 Mercedes-Benz C250 Sport Sedan. So, without further ado, let's go. And we're back. So I just got home from Autozone with my girlfriend, and like I said before, I did a $100 limit for what I was going to let her get for my car, and we were over by like $8. So I spent like $108 on a bunch of random stuff that I let my girlfriend get for my car. Now, let's get to the good stuff and see what she picked out. So, the first thing she picked is this wrap for your interior or your exterior, which isn't too bad, but most of the accents in my car are red, and this is blue, so I will figure out what to do with this. The next thing she picked was a Type S plug-and-glow automotive smart multicolored dome light. So this is controlled by the app, and this is basically just a lighting system for the interior of the car. And this should be fun and interesting, so now I need to figure out where to put all this. Then she randomly picked out Meguiar's Hot Rims Wheel and Tire Cleaner, which is actually really good because I actually do like Meguiar's and I could always use tire cleaner for my car. Next, she picked out a magnetic mobile device holder and non-slip dash tray. Alright, so there's this. I definitely need something like this because I don't have anything to put my phone on in my car because I usually like to record or just take random videos in my car on my phone. So this will be good. She also got a shoulder pad, one shoulder pad. So this should be fun as well. Super soft sheepskin, so this will be good as well. And then let's see what else. She got a sponge to wash the car with, but this is actually going to be for my daughter because she likes to help me wash my car, so she got a unicorn wash sponge. Not bad. And then the very last thing she got were some air fresheners. Can't go wrong with air fresheners, and the scent is Bayside Breeze, so we will see how this smells and how all of this goes. Alright, so first, I have to do this with one hand. So first, we're going to take that plastic piece off, and then I'm going to suction it probably about right there. So that way it sits right there like that. Perfect. Just like that. And it also comes with a magnet, so that way your phone can literally just do that. And so like I said, it can swivel like that, it can come down, so that way it's lower or higher, and you can adjust the tightness of all of this. So there's like a little screw on the back to tighten that, and then to loosen it, there's this right here, which does obviously the up and down. So you can tighten that. And then there's a screw behind the phone that lets you adjust how this rotates and moves on that pivot. So let's do, so there it is right there. You just kind of tighten that. And then you can figure out where you do it. And then there you have it. That's pretty much it. Alright, now the next thing I put on was obviously the little trees air freshener, and it actually smells pretty good, so I can't complain with that. And on to the next thing, which I think might be the lighting. And the only place that I know I can definitely put this is in the back right there. So let's get to that install. Alright, so the first thing you have to do in order to access your dome light is get a pry tool or a small flathead screwdriver and pry around, and then very carefully pop everything out, because there are 1, 2, 3, 4 little clips that clip in right here, and I've already taken the piece out that I need. So like I said, this will sit right on there like that, and once you unclip everything, you can access the light right here. That is your dome light. And then we can get to the install of the vanity light in the dome right here. Alright, so like I said before, once you unhook and take off the light, the rear dome light piece from the harness, then you very carefully want to, with a flathead screwdriver or a pry tool, pry at these right here, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4, and then once you do, you have complete access to the light and finish the install. Once everything is plugged in, you definitely want to test the light inside the car to make sure everything is running properly and lights up. If it doesn't, then all you need to do is just switch which way the adapter goes. Alright, well there you have it. The light is in, and I already have the app downloaded, and you can cycle through the lights. This will probably look better at night. Alright, for these two things, I'm just gonna put over here for now, because later I actually do plan on washing my car. So there is my tire shine or wheel cleaner and the sponge for my daughter because she likes to help. So that gives me an excuse for her to actually help me. So there is the Meguiar's wheel and tire cleaner and the little unicorn sponge. Alright, so the next thing that my girlfriend got was the shoulder strap, which is actually quite comfortable, quite surprised, and I like the fact that it's gray. So I think this definitely gets a thumbs up too. And typically I don't usually wear a shoulder strap because the seatbelt doesn't really bother me too much, but this is actually kind of nice. So this definitely gets a thumbs up. The air freshener smells good. My phone holder works really well. And I think the next thing is to figure out what to do with this accent wrap, because as you can tell, everything in my car is black and red, and not sure what I'm going to do with the blue, but we'll figure it out. Well, there you have it, guys. That should just about do it for my AutoZone haul. I hope you guys enjoyed the video as much as I did. And if you did, hit like, and don't forget